Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today I'm here with Brock from Aprilaire, and today we're going to cover error code E5. It's the high temp sensor failure. Tell us about that one, Brock.
Yep, so what that's telling you is essentially that either the high temp sensor within the unit is either unplugged or it's malfunctioning. So really easy fix on this one. You're going to take the side panel off the dehu. You're going to look and find the wire that says high temp. Make sure that it's plugged in to the right spot and it's not unplugged. If it is plugged in and you're still getting the code, all you're going to have to do is swap out that high temperature sensor. So you'll get a new one. You'll unplug the Molex, plug the new one into the board, turn the unit back on, and you should be off to the races.
That sounds so easy, I might be able to fix it.
I think you could.
I'd be able to. So, all right, well, great. Well, thanks for sharing that with us. So it sounds like an easy fix if you have that E5 error code. And I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja here with Brock from Aprilaire. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.